We'll bring this one out. A little too far. Somebody's being a sassy dog. Come here. Come here. Stop right there. There. Okay, we got Nico's chain. Here's what we're doing. Hey, this is for you. These are Nick's fence panels. We took them down to make it easier for our neighbor to cut our grass. Hey, and now we got to put them all back up again. These are actually very heavy steel powder coated display racks from a store that was closing. And we just wire tie them together at the joints. We attach one end to that fence and the other end over here to a post. Make the last piece a gate. Now we got to remember how we did it. Yeah, I hear a car back there. Okay, these, because they're skinnier, let's do 4. I don't know if we'll have enough though.
I'll get the one going another one longer.
Yeah, because these aren't barely gonna make
Let's
it.
go get them.
Okay, Steve has to go get some longer wire ties. These aren't long enough. Whew, is that hot? It's like 83 degrees and like 90 heat index. And the humidity is up in like the 70s. Here, we'll leave these bigger ones over here because we got to put 2 together to get around this fence post. So once this is done, Nicky Doodle can just come right out and run and play. Because then we just let him in and out of that door of my she shed. And then he can run. Right? Go. Okay, he brought some more longer ones.
For the bottom one.
Yeah, definitely. Got that one. I'll put a button in this number. Okay. Let's see. We might have enough. Because the ones on the post have to be better. Wow! Guess what, Nicky Doodle? Guess what we got for you? We have the removal of the rope and the harness. There you go. Okay. Look. Run. Go on. Go run. Go run. Go run. He needs a spherical object. Oh, is this your potty yard? Oh, back here are the tomatoes I planted before we left in May. I started weeding around one of them. There's a pile of weeds. And the raspberries back here, I picked some of those. The granddaughter. He'll love you. Look who's rolling around in the grass. Oh, what's this? Hi, happy boy. Are you happy? Go play. Don't bite it. Our on-demand water heater won't work because there's 2 little frogs in the pipe. Steve's going to try to disassemble it from the inside and get them little buggers out. But it won't kick in until we get them frogs out. No froggos yet. Okay, here's my idea. We're going to try a shop vac. Oh, did I hear something? I think I heard something. I'm not looking in the shop vac to see. Well, you gonna look in? I'm not looking.
I've got one.
Where is he? Oh, there's one. Did he make it? Is he alive?
Yeah, he was climbing out, trying to get
Oh, okay, there's one. Okay. Come out slowly. Yeah, there's number 2. I don't think number 2 made it.
I don't know.
Oh no, it's still alive. Well, there's number 2. Let's hope that's all that was in there. Let's try it again.
Let me get him on.
Oh, it's so nice to be back home. But I do miss our camper. I think I want to go camping again. Steve got the lawn cut again yesterday. He's trimmed around all the trees. And I think it's time to go back inside because it's starting to get hot and sticky out and humid. Now Nick said I should take my coffee and head out to the front porch for a little bit before it gets too hot. Okay. Now you can come. Come on. There he comes. We'll shut the door. There. It's so nice to be out here on the front porch too. Even though it's getting humid, we're gonna sit out here and finish up my blog that I'm working on. Right, Nick? Is that what you're going to do? You're going to help? Yeah, he's going to help.